Every day, millions unknowingly push their bodies to the brink, risking diabetes, obesity, and even heart disease. But what if I told you there's a pattern, not a diet, that could be your shield? A pattern so powerful, it's been hidden in our biology for centuries. Welcome to the world of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is often misunderstood as a diet, but it's fundamentally different. Instead of prescribing specific foods or caloric restrictions, intermittent fasting is a pattern of eating. It's a conscious decision to cycle between periods of eating and fasting. The primary focus is not on what you eat, but when you eat. By setting specific windows for eating and fasting, you allow your body to tap into its stored energy, potentially leading to various health benefits, including weight loss. One of the remarkable benefits of intermittent fasting is its ability to stimulate the secretion of the growth hormone. This hormone, often referred to as the fountain of youth, plays a pivotal role in health, fitness, and slowing down the aging process. The growth hormone is also a potent fat-burning hormone. Its increased production can lead to enhanced fat metabolism, making intermittent fasting a popular choice for those looking to shed excess body fat without necessarily cutting down on their food intake. Insulin is a hormone that allows cells to take in glucose from the bloodstream. However, when we eat too frequently or consume foods high in sugars and refined carbohydrates, our insulin levels can remain elevated for extended periods. Intermittent fasting can help regulate and decrease insulin levels. This is crucial because in the presence of high insulin, the body tends to store fat rather than burn it. By reducing insulin levels, intermittent fasting creates an environment conducive to weight loss and fat burning. Insulin resistance is a metabolic condition where cells in the body become less responsive to the effects of insulin. As a result, the pancreas starts producing more insulin to compensate for this reduced sensitivity. Over time, this can create a disparity in insulin levels across the body. Some cells might have low insulin levels, making them starved for glucose, while others might have excessively high levels, leading to other complications. This imbalance not only disrupts the body's energy utilization, but also sets the stage for prediabetes, a condition where blood sugar levels are higher than normal, but not yet high enough to be classified as type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, insulin resistance can be a precursor to various health problems, including heart diseases, obesity, and polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. Intermittent fasting, by regulating insulin production and promoting sensitivity, can potentially help mitigate the risks associated with insulin resistance. How to start intermittent fasting. Reducing meal frequency. One of the initial steps to ease into intermittent fasting is by simply reducing the number of meals you consume daily. Instead of the common practice of eating 5 or 6 small meals or snacking throughout the day, aim for distinct meals without snacking in between. 3 meals, no snacks. Begin with 3 solid meals a day. This not only helps regulate insulin spikes, but also trains your body to expect food at specific times, making the transition to fasting smoother. The 16-to-8 method. Once comfortable with 3 meals, you can start the 16-to-8 method, which involves fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window. This is one of the most popular intermittent fasting methods and is often the easiest for beginners. Fasting for 16 hours allows the body to deplete its glycogen stores and start burning stored fat for energy. This shift can aid in weight loss and improved metabolic health. Morning fasting. Ideally, after waking up, allow your body to continue its natural fasting state for at least another 4 hours. This taps into the body's overnight fasting period, extending the benefits. Night and morning, the power hours. The real benefits of intermittent fasting are often experienced during the late night hours and early morning. During this time, insulin levels are low, allowing the body to tap into stored fat for energy. Advanced fasting. The 20-to-4 method. For those who have adapted well to the 16-to-8 method and seek deeper benefits, the 20-to-4 method can be the next step. This involves a 20-hour fast, followed by a 4-hour eating window, intensifying the body's fat-burning capabilities. Extending the fast to 20 hours can further enhance fat burning. The longer the body is in a fasting state, the more it relies on stored fat for energy, potentially leading to quicker weight loss. high-intensity interval training. Incorporating HIIT during your fasting period can amplify fat burning. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest or low-intensity periods. This form of exercise can increase metabolic rate and promote fat oxidation, making it a perfect complement to intermittent fasting. Patience is key. Transitioning between different levels of intermittent fasting isn't always straightforward. It requires patience, as your body needs time to adapt to new eating patterns. Potential side effects. As with any significant dietary change, there can be side effects. These might include headaches, irritability, or fatigue. It's essential to be aware of these and to consult a healthcare professional if any concerns arise. Listening to your body and making adjustments as needed is crucial. All right, everyone, we've covered a lot today about intermittent fasting, its benefits, and how to get started. But now I want to hear from you. Have you tried intermittent fasting before? What was your experience like? Did you face any challenges, or did you find a particular method that worked wonders for you? Share your stories, tips, and trials in the comments below. Your insights could be invaluable to someone else in our community who's just starting out or looking to refine their approach. Remember, achieving optimal health and vitality is a journey, not a destination. With that said, there is no harm in liking, commenting, and hitting that subscribe button to get more health and wellness videos like this. Stay informed, stay healthy, and until next time, take care.